Hey everyone! In this video you will learn how to connect an Attack Shark mouse to your PC. Let us begin with the USB cable method. This is the most direct way to connect the mouse. Take the USB cable that came with your Attack Shark mouse. Plug the larger USB end into a free USB port on your computer and plug the Type-C cable into the mouse. After a few seconds, try moving the mouse. Now let us talk about the 2.4 GHz wireless method. If you want to use the 2.4 GHz mode, take the small USB adapter that came with the mouse. Plug the adapter into any free USB port on your computer. Now look on the back side of your mouse. There will be a switch that lets you choose between the 2.4 GHz mode or Bluetooth mode. Slide the switch to the 2.4 position. If you want to use Bluetooth, remove the USB adapter from your computer. Go again to the back side of the mouse and move the switch from 2.4 to the Bluetooth position. Turn on Bluetooth on your computer. Open the Bluetooth settings and choose Add Device. Wait for the Attack Shark mouse to appear in the list. Select it. After a short moment, the mouse should connect and be ready. Move the mouse to confirm that the cursor responds. Thanks for watching.